All right, so we are going to write the equation in point slope form. So we're going to be using y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And we want to make sure that it is parallel to the given line and it passes through the given point. So if we look at this was our slope. And so if our slope is -1/2 and we're doing the line that is parallel to it, we're going to be using that exact same slope. And then we're going to be using this point as our x1, y1. So we're going to have y minus a -14, which will give us y plus 14. And then we're going to have our slope equal to -1/2. And then x minus our x coordinate, which is 12. And so that's our point slope form. The next step asks us to take and write this into slope intercept form. So we are just basically going through those same two steps of solving for y. So I'm going to distribute the -1/2, and then I'm going to take the 14 over to the other side. And so when I do, I'll be left with a y equals -1/2 x, and when I bring this 14 over, -14 plus 6 will give me -8. And so my two answers here, this is my point slope form, and this is my slope intercept form. Looking at the next one here, we want to write the line that is perpendicular and in point slope form. So if the slope was 1/3 and we're looking for the slope that is perpendicular, then we're talking about the opposite reciprocal. And so the slope that we're going to use is -3. And so using our point slope form then, I'm going to substitute in y minus my y1 is 15 equals my slope times the quantity, x minus the x coordinates in -7, so that's going to turn it into a +7. And so that is my point slope form. And then the next thing is slope intercept form. And so I'm going to take and distribute and make this -3x and this -21. And then I'm going to take and add 15 to both sides to isolate that variable y. And so that'll leave me with -3x minus 6. And so here is our point slope form. And then this is our slope intercept form.